Strawberry Switchblade are Jill Bryson and Rose McDowell. Now, they're two girls from Glasgow who met at a punk disco and they decided to get together and make some music. And Edwyn Collins came up with the name Strawberry Switchblade and Jill and Rose took it from there. Trees and Flowers was their first single and that was a great indie hit and resulted in several sessions for radio, and they also got a major record deal with Corova. They look great, they sound great, and they have their first album out in early 85. It is called Strawberry Switchblade, and this is a taste of what's to come. Go Away first, and then Since Yesterday from the album Strawberry Switchblade, and now Being Cold, Deep Water, and Who Knows What Love Is.
While we were
tracks you'll be able to hear on the new Strawberry Switchblade album, which is called Strawberry Switchblade. Don't forget, it's available early 85 and it's great.